If you're a teen and want to make money this summer without a job, this video is for you. No experience, no fancy skills, just your phone or laptop. I'm going to show you 5 real side hustles you can start right now. Some of these can even turn into long-term income if you stay consistent. First up, Canva design. If you've ever used Canva for school projects, you already have a head start. Small businesses are always looking for simple social media posts, and they're willing to pay for them. Start by learning basic typography and color combinations. Then create Instagram posts, story templates, or even flyers. Beginners can start earning small, but once you improve, this can turn into steady monthly income. Start with social media templates today and build your future. Next is YouTube automation. This is one of the most exciting ways to build a digital presence today. This is where you run a channel without ever showing your face, allowing you to focus entirely on the content itself. You pick a niche like facts, gaming, or motivation. The key is finding a topic that has a broad, dedicated audience. Then you create videos using scripts, voiceovers, and stock footage. You're the director behind the scenes. As you grow, you can even outsource parts like voiceovers or professional thumbnails to scale your production. Before posting, research trending topics and stay consistent. Success in automation comes down to data-driven decisions. Upload at least once or twice a week to keep the algorithm engaged and your audience coming back. Once monetized, channels can earn from ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, creating multiple streams of income. Some start at $100, others scale to over $1,000 per month as they grow. It's all about the system you build. Third, selling digital printables. These are things like planners, study trackers, or budget sheets that people download instantly. You design them using Canva, export as PDFs, and upload them to a shop. Focus on solving real problems, like organizing homework or planning exams. Each product sells for around $3 to $15. With multiple listings, some shops make $200 to $900 a month. It's great passive income potential. Number 4, social media management. A lot of small businesses don't have time to post consistently, and that's where you come in. You help by posting content, replying to comments, and keeping their page active. Reach out to local businesses or small creators and show them sample posts. Beginners can earn around $100 to $400 per client each month. Learn tools like Meta Business Suite and focus on short videos and trending hashtags. Focusing on what's trending helps you deliver the best results for your clients. Start small and scale your portfolio. Last one, AI data annotation. This is simple work where you label images, text, or audio so AI can learn patterns. By identifying objects like cars or pedestrians, you're teaching machine learning models how to see the world. You can apply on platforms like Appen, TELUS International, or Scale AI. These platforms offer flexible remote opportunities that you can do from anywhere with an internet connection. Most tasks pay between $8 to $15 per hour depending on the project.